Beijing, our CDO representative for your games. Once again, Beijing, our CDO representative. Kindly join us here at the main stage for the games. We'd like to ask for representative of the sponsor, CDO. Kindly join us to the main stage. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to 7-Eleven 2025. My name is Justine Narios. I'm a host at Tops Media Center, the newest media company at Tops Beside. I have a morning show every day from 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. rather to 12 p.m. on top of the morning with Jiggy Juice. So my co-host right now is at the starting line. But ladies and gentlemen, I have in my hands the 10 a.m. Bunny Race results. Are you guys ready? All right. So let's look at what the 10K Buddy Awards are. So for the 10K Buddy from third placer, you guys will be winning 6,000 pesos for the team, Smart eSIM and Boom. For the 10K Buddy from second placer, you will win 8,000 pesos for the team, Smart eSIM and Boom. And for the grand champion, you will be winning 10,000 pesos for the team, Smart eSIM and Boom. Don't be worried. Let us call on Mr. Andrew Rojo, the regional manager from Capital Lucky Day. All right, let's start with our 10 a.m. Bunny Race results. Ladies first. We would also like to call on our Capital Lucky Day VIP, Mr. Ray Anasarias, our merchandising and promotion supervisor of Visayas and of Johnny Boy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's start with our all-female Bunny Race results from today at 10 a.m. Coming in third place, congratulations to Alexis Yan.
Tawag ka, huy, kasi problema yung sir. Pixel ko, bahala ka na.
Ha,